Hey friends, today I am with an amazing offer on the Google Pixel 6 Pro at Ovantica.com. This is the lowest price ever on this device and it's a great opportunity to get a top of line device at a fraction of cost of a new one. If you are looking for the best deals on renewed smartphones, then Ovantica.com is the place to go. We have the lowest price on smartphones and laptops. Not just that, we offer up to 6 months of warranty on all of our products. Okay, let's deep dive into the unique features of the Pixel 6 Pro. At number 1 is the design. The Pixel 6 Pro has a new design that's both stylish and functional. The rear camera bar is now integrated into the phone's frame that gives the phone a new and a modern look. Next is the processor. The Pixel 6 Pro is powered by Google's new Tensor chip. This chip is designed specifically for smartphones and incredibly it's very powerful. It can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Coming up is the camera. The Pixel 6 Pro has a triple lens camera system with a 50 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultrawide sensor and a 48 megapixel telephoto sensor. This camera system takes amazing photos in all kind of lighting conditions. Especially it is good at taking low light photos. Next is the security feature. The Pixel 6 Pro comes with Titan M2 security chip which helps to protect your phone from malwares and other security threats. Last is the 5G connectivity. The Pixel 6 Pro supports 5G connectivity, so you can experience the fastest mobile speeds available. Hey, wait, the Pixel 6 Pro is fueled with tons of hidden features. Now let's see some of the hidden features of the Pixel 6 Pro. Number 1. Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser is a new feature that allows you to remove unwanted objects from your photos with just a few taps. It's perfect for removing photo bombers, stray animals and other distraction from your photos. Number 2. Real Tone. Real Tone is a new feature that ensures that your photos accurately represent all skin tones. It's especially good at capturing the beauty of people of color. Number 3. Live Translate. Live Translate is a feature that allows you to translate text and speech in real time. It's perfect for translating menus, signs, and conversation with people who speak different languages. The next question is why I buy renewed smartphones and where? No worries, the answer is here. First, there are many benefits to buying a renewed smartphones, including saving the money. Renewed smartphones are much cheaper than the brand new phones. Get a great quality device. Renewed smartphones are thoroughly inspected and tested by professionals before they are sold. So you can be sure that you are getting a high quality device. Buying a renewed smartphone is a great way to reduce waste and help the environment. Why choose Ovantica.com? Ovantica.com is a leading retailer of renewed phones. We offer wide selection of phones from all major brands and we back all of our products with up to 6 months warranty. Why buy renewed Pixel 6 Pro from Ovantica.com? If you are looking for great deals on renewed Pixel 6 Pro, then Ovantica.com is the place to go. We have the lowest price ever on this phone and we provide 6 months warranty on this device. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.